5 Passive Income Ideas to Make Money in Your Sleep. You snooze, you lose? Not necessarily. Grab yourself a brew, kick back and check out our top 5 passive income earners that will make you money while you sleep. Best Passive Income Ideas. Here's our list of the best ideas to make you money in your sleep. Sell stock content. Websites, advertisers, self-publishers and app creators all need secondary content, from images to music, video and sound effects. If you spend your spare time snapping, sketching or singing anyway, this could be the route for you. How do you create content? Go through work from previous projects. Chances are you already have a ton of unused pictures and video footage. If not, get creating. Take photos, film short clips and get your musical head on. You can also make the most of the time you spend socializing. Snap a pic of that frothy hot chocolate your mate is enjoying or the beautiful sunrise you've just seen on the way back home from a night out. How to sell your content online. Upload your work to several stock library sites for users to browse, pick and pay for. Royalties are typically low, so you'll need to build up a bank of work before it starts paying off. It's also worth checking what's trending or is always in demand and submitting on those themes. You don't need to be a pro to successfully sell stock content. Niche ideas are in just as much demand as flawless execution. Think photos, logos, jingles, stickers, icons, buttons, banners and beeps. The sky's the limit. Brands are always looking for content that helps sell their product, so who you're aiming your content at is also one to bear in mind. Write an ebook. If your passion is publishing, then digital has to be worth a punt. The online publishing process is relatively straightforward and risk-free. Playing your cards right with online publishing could bring in some cash and set you up well for the future. Being able to link to your ebook on your graduate CV is pretty impressive. How do you write an ebook? Your secret stash of short stories is always a good place to start. If you're in it for the money rather than the Pulitzer, see what's selling and work back from there. Check the bestseller list, but don't fixate on fiction. There's a chart for everything, from politics to poker, so if there's a topic you know, perhaps something related to your studies or a hobby, use it. Build your own app. In terms of passive income ideas, this one's a pretty cool choice. However, the question isn't whether you'll make $1 million. It's unlikely, sadly, but whether you need to be a coding ninja. The surprising answer is nope. How to build an app. If you've got a functional app in mind, i.e. it does something, or extends built-in messaging, camera or system tools, you'll need to speak some kind of computer lingo, or find someone who doesn't split your profits. Until then, MIT's free browser-based App Inventor lets you drag and drop building blocks instead of churning out code. Affiliate marketing. Another way to start earning passive income is by promoting someone else's products or services and earning commission on sales. If you already have a website or social media following, this could be a great opportunity to earn some extra cash. Let's look at how it works. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing-based websites are basically sites or blogs that plug products and businesses on other sites for a cut of the sale. You need to add special tracking links on your own website, or pop them out through social media. If someone uses your link to buy the item, you get a referral fee. Print-on-demand products. The last of our passive income ideas is a bit of a student classic, selling print-on-demand products. From t-shirts to baby bibs, there are scores of stores that sell customizable gear and gadgets. The opportunity lies in selling your inspiration to other customers. How to sell print-on-demand products. One of the best-known marketplaces is Cafe Press, which sells just about anything that has a blank surface. Whoever you go with, sign up for a seller's account, to sell via the store, or a shop account, to sell from your own site. Upload your best illustrations, photos or jokes, and pick which products can be customized with your art. If someone buys an item from your range, you get a cut of the sale, without having to manufacture, stock or ship anything.